This visual design will demonstrate how our Westminster Fashion Week website will appear in iPhone and iPad. Firstly, as you see, our home page consists of image slider, which includes some images of Fashion Week, and What's New section, which divide according to the seasons, and slider of fashion, which includes image of the Fashion Week, and consumer reviews, which include consumer reviews and a slider. And there's a special play and win game. This year you can win free passes to Fashion Week. By subscribing newsletter, you will able to have recent updates about Fashion Week. An event location where all Fashion Week events are located, and by clicking on scan QR code, you can scan QR code which consists of event information. Then let's talk about the navigation bar. In navigation bar, by entering search values to the search box, user can get similar results as he or she searched. This will satisfy with the first task given in the coursework specification, and this will express to user in portrait and iPhone orientation and devices. Then next, About Us tab, which is displayed in the navigation bar. By clicking About Us tab, user will directed to team info. That page, user can separately search about team info. In team member info, you will include all detailed info about team members, link to the members' social pages, and office location. If the user is a registered user, he or she can add the member into member list. After clicking Add List to button in Team Member Info page, user will directed to My List page. In My List page, there can existing list created by user in previous sessions. Imagine if user haven't created a list for member, then user have to click on Create List and enter name and description to create new list or cancel the request. According to specification, user can browse newsletter which consists all news items which happen in Westminster Fashion Week. In here also, after navigating to news page, user can add it to list with having good understand about the news. As given in the specification, it's requested to use iPad, portrait and landscape orientation for both views. So visual design will express like this. This will demonstrate how newsletter in iPad portrait mode. And there are sections like event locations and more info about news. As I mentioned earlier, About Us page also requested to have iPad landscape mode, and this will demonstrate how team member info in iPad landscape mode. And next, user can view events which are happening parallel with the Westminster Fashion Week by clicking Events in navigation bar. In the specification, it's requested to have iPhone landscape orientation. So, it will appear like this and directed to event page by clicking the heading of the event. In event page, as mentioned previously, user can add list if user is a successful user. By clicking in the heading, user can get more info about user information.